Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is a monthly reading for Libra, Sun, Moon and Rising people. This is a general read, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Let's see what are the messages for Libra people in this month. I'm not focusing particularly on relationship. I will try to explain the whole spread with regard to relationship and finances as well. So let's see what's on the table for you guys. Okay, G. So I have over here Two of Pentacles, Chariot. Situation is not stable in your life. Either you are trying to deal with two people at the same moment, or you are trying to deal with two sort of jobs. You are trying to deal with the money fluctuation situation. Anything is possible. It is also possible with this card. It is also possible that you might need to travel around and you are not able to stay at one point for a longer time. If I see the whole spread, I feel there is a possibility of not having enough money for Libras right now. Okay, this is the hurdle or the obstacle right now. You really need to put effort, a continuous focused effort to achieve whatever is there in your mind. It will take some time, but you will gonna get this. It's not that it is impossible, your goals are impossible, it's not like that, but you really have to put your maximum effort to achieve this point, whatever point is there in your mind. In the recent past, someone has cheated on you. This person can be because I have the Magician over here with this Five of Swords. So the very big possibility that someone has cheated on you in the situation. This can be someone from your family as well. It is also possible that you are in a committed relationship and your spouse has cheated on you, because I can see someone has turned face. Now the situation is very quiet in between you and the other person. You have spent a very bad time in recent past. This is possible that you have you were short of money, first of all. Secondly, it is possible that emotionally you are alone, sad, in a very cold, emotionally cold situation. It is also possible someone tried to left you behind, and or maybe it is of your financial situation and you were seriously out of money in the past days, past months even. Now what's there in your mind? You are focusing on the effort you have already done. You really put an effort in your past days. Now you are expecting the result from that situation. I want to tell you that this, as I have mentioned earlier with this card, you see you have two cards over here with the number 7. Situation which I can explain to you is that it is decided that you will achieve achieve those things for which you are putting your effort, or you have done a lot of work. You will going to achieve that, but there is a time constraint from the divine forces, and you have to wait for the right time. Things will come to you, but it will come on the right time. There is a little time left, and I feel the month of July can be a good month in this regard. It can produce good results for you. There is someone with whom you are not talking. This can be you, or this can be a water sign, Cancer or Pisces. So there is someone to whom you are not talking. This person is there from your in your past and will be there in your present, in your future as well. Person can be stable person, financially, emotionally. Even this person can be a marriage material as well. Now I am not specifying gender over here with the King of Pentacle. This can be a lady as well, but seriously marriage material I'm looking at. In your hopes and dreams you are expecting some sort of love offer right now. Maybe this is all that you were alone in the past and you were out of relationship, and you really felt left out, and a cold alone night is there for you for a very long period of time. Now you are hoping and expecting and waiting for someone to come forward and give you a cup of love. On one hand, where you are waiting for this to be offered, on the other hand you are busy trying to work on the things you have started. You can say it's a situation where you are seriously working on the projects you have started. You are seriously trying to achieve a financial stability, as this situation has caused you financial instability as well as emotional. So you are on the one hand you are trying to establish yourself financially, but on the other hand you are waiting for someone to come towards you. But that person is quiet, and you are also not talking to the same. You are not talking to the person as well. I feel there is some sort of thing that was done in the past, and you really feel that you were cheated on, or someone tried to take advantage of yourself. Maybe you expect more from someone and that person didn't give you enough. I have a card of misery over here as well, and after that, after getting this sort of behavior, you simply left the situation because it wasn't emotionally fulfilling for you. But as you can see, you are basically moving towards from these crumbs. You are moving away from these crumbs towards the Ace of Cup. Someone is there, someone is waiting for you, like you are waiting for someone. The same person is waiting for you as well, and I really feel that as soon as you get rid of your past things, and maybe since I have mentioned in the very first sentence that you might be dealing with two person, so as soon as you will be single again, and as soon as you will be established enough, I feel the person is going to come towards you. So this was the reading for Libra. I hope you will like this and it will resonate with you. Give me some sort of feedback on this. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.